In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an electronic signature in DocuSign. To get started, open DocuSign and make sure you're on the main homepage of your account. Once you're there, look for your profile icon, usually located in the upper area of the screen, and click on it. From the menu that appears, select Manage Profile. This will take you to a new page where DocuSign briefly introduces the My Profile section. This area is where you can control personal settings related to your account, including your saved signature. On the My Profile page, click on Signatures. This is the section where you can create, update, or replace the signature and initials that DocuSign uses when you sign documents. Once the Signatures page opens, click Add Signature to begin. At this point, DocuSign will show you a selection of signature templates. These are ready-made electronic signature styles that use your name in different handwritten-looking fonts. You can browse through several options and choose the one that looks best to you. This is the quickest method if you want a clean, professional signature without having to draw anything yourself. If you want something more personalized, click on Draw. This option allows you to create your own signature by using your mouse, trackpad, or touchscreen. A hand-drawn signature can feel more natural and personal, especially if you want it to resemble how you normally sign on paper. As you do this, keep in mind that you'll also need to create your initials, not just your full signature, because DocuSign often uses both in different parts of a document. You may also choose to upload your signature instead. If you already have an image of your handwritten signature saved on your device, this can be a convenient option. Just remember that if you upload a signature, you also need to upload your initials as well, so both are available when signing documents. After reviewing your options, go back to Draw if that's the method you prefer, and finalize the signature style you want to use. Once you're happy with your selection, click Create. If you already have an existing signature saved in DocuSign, a pop-up will appear asking whether you want to replace it. Confirm the replacement if you're ready to update it. After that, your signature will be updated and saved to your profile. That means it will now be available the next time you sign a document in DocuSign. And that's it. You've successfully created or updated your electronic signature in DocuSign. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.